everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to explain second part of chapter 2, that is health and hygiene. In previous video I already explained you about health and what are the different practices you should follow for good hygiene. I explained you about food and its components, what is balanced diet, and we discussed about the fitness and its methods. Now, today in this video, we will learn or discuss about the topic that is disease. Now, let's start with the term disease. What is disease? It is the condition when your body or a part of it does not function properly is called disease. It means ऐसी कंडीशन जिसमें आपका बॉडी का कोई पार्ट या फिर आपकी बॉडी का कोई सिस्टम प्रॉपरली वर्क नहीं कर रहा है तो उस कंडीशन को हम डिजीज कहेंगे. डिजीज आर कॉज ड्यू टू मैनी रीजन. द फर्स्ट वन इज इम्प्रॉपर डाइट. अगर आपकी डाइट प्रॉपर नहीं है, प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट्स आपको नहीं मिल रहे हैं, प्रॉपर कंपोनेंट ऑफ फूड आपको नहीं मिल रहे हैं, देन यू कैन सफर फ्रॉम द डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज. However, disease may also be caused by some harmful organisms like microbes, germs, viruses, etc. That's why disease are broadly divided into two groups depending on its cause. Disease are divided into two groups. One is non-communicable disease and the second one is communicable disease. What is non-communicable disease? A disease that cannot be transmitted from one person to another person. Whereas communicable disease can be transmitted from one person to another. For example, COVID-19. That's why your government locked down you at your home to prevent its communication from one person to another. Now let's discuss about the non-communicable disease. In today's video we will discuss about only the non-communicable disease and I will explain you some non-communicable diseases. Now what is non-communicable disease? I already explained you that does not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable disease. Some of the non-communicable disease are caused due to lack और अ डेफिशिएंसी. इट मीन्स किसी चीज़ की कमी के कारण, किसी न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी के कारण, किसी फूड आइटम की कमी के कारण, किसी मिनरल, किसी विटामिन की कमी के कारण आपके शरीर में हो जाती है. दीज आर कॉल्ड डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज. नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट सम नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज. द फर्स्ट वन इज नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. इसको हिंदी में रतौंधी भी कहते हैं. It is caused due to lack of vitamin A. ये किसकी कमी से होता है? विटामिन ए की कमी से होता है. अगर आपके फूड में लंबे समय से विटामिन ए की कमी हो रही है देन आपको नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस की शिकायत हो सकती है. दिस मेक्स द पर्सन अनेबल टू सी इन डिम लाइट. डिम लाइट में पर्सन देख नहीं सकता है, रात के समय पे देखना मुश्किल हो जाता है. इट कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड बाय हैविंग अ डाइट रिच फूड लाइक फूड ऑफ विटामिन ए. अगर आप अपने डाइट में विटामिन ए को रेगुलरली शामिल करें, उसको विटामिन ए रिच फूड आप लेते हैं तो आप इस बीमारी से आपको प्रिवेंशन हो सकता है, आप इस बीमारी को प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट मी शो यू व्हाट आर द सोर्सेस ऑफ विटामिन ए. यू कैन सी विटामिन ए रिच फूड्स, स्वीट पोटैटो, मैंगो, कैरेट इज द good source of vitamin A, capsicum, milk, squash, dried apricot, etc. And so many other. Apple is also a good source of vitamin A. Now, the next disease is scurvy. Scurvy is also a deficiency disease. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. This makes the person to suffer from bleeding gums. इसकी कमी की वजह से आपके जो gums है उसमें bleeding हो सकती है, वीक हो सकते हैं एंड swelling of jaws. What are the sources of vitamin C you should take to prevent scurvy? All the citrus fruit are the major source of vitamin C, and some other fruits are also there. Now the next disease is rickets. Rickets is also a deficiency disease. It is caused due to lack of vitamin D, along with some minerals like calcium and phosphorus in your diet. People suffering from this may have weak and soft bones with abnormal shapes. ये आपकी बोन्स पे इफेक्ट करता है. आपके बोन्स जो है इसमें सॉफ्ट हो जाते हैं. दैट्स वाई आपके जो बॉडी का शेप है, इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ बोन्स वो abnormal हो जाता है. Now, what are the sources of vitamin D? The major source of vitamin D is your sunlight and other food items, fatty fish, mushroom, sour cream, yogurt, milk, butter, egg yolk. All the milk products are good source of vitamin D. Now, come to the next disease, that is goiter. How goiter caused? It is caused due to lack of mineral like iodine in your diet. The disease caused swelling of thyroid gland. इस डिजीज में आपको बिल्कुल नेक के रीजन में जो आपका थायराइड ग्लैंड होती है उसमें स्वेलिंग आ जाती है, उसका एनलार्जमेंट हो जाता है. इट कैन बी क्योर्ड बाय टेकिंग आयोडीन रिच फूड लाइक आयोडाइज्ड सॉल्ट एंड सी फूड. Actually, what happens when this disease occurs? Due to deficiency of iodine, thyroid gland releases excess amount of thyroid hormone, and that's why swelling of thyroid gland take place, which cause goiter. You can see this picture. Here, the person having a goiter disease. Now, what are the food rich in iodine? You can see all seafoods, salt, coconut oil, broccoli, Himalayan crystal salt, fennel, spinach. These are the sources of iodine. Now, come to the next disease, that is anemia. How it caused? It is caused due to lack of mineral, that is iron, in your diet. It leads to low hemoglobin level in your body, which reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. What is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a protein present in your red blood cells, which carries oxygen from your lungs to the other tissues of your body. This is a role of hemoglobin. So, if hemoglobins are low, then oxygen carrying process will also become low. That's why the symptoms of anemia are loss of energy, fatigue, headache, dizziness. आपको चक्कर भी आ सकते हैं. These type of आपको weakness feel होती है anemia की disease में. Now, what are the sources of iron you should take to prevent anemia from your body? These are apple, broccoli, green leafy vegetables, pulses, and pomegranate, red meat, and so many are. Now, thank you student. I will continue with next topic, communicable disease and how to prevent it in my next video. Stay home, stay safe, keep doing your work.